Oh gosh. Ooh, this is probably the saddest unboxing I've ever seen in my life. Ooh.
Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. That's the whole entire intro. My God, I swear you like stand in the mirror to like prepare for this, or
I
what?
do. I actually do.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Well, I am honored. Thank you so much.
I think I can take over the channel. I think I can do this.
Let's give it your best intro. You go, girl. Come on.
Oh, right now?
Yeah, go.
Oh no,
go.
I was saying in the future.
Oh, the future.
Yeah, maybe I could do my own video.
Well, technically, right now, and 5 seconds from now is the future. So.
Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oh.
In any case, today's video is going to be slightly different from the norm because, oh, I think Indy heard us because he's yelling.
Oh, I think he's mad he's not in the video.
Should we bring him out in the video? Now let's see if we can film with them running around.
We'll try this out.
Okay. Nice toy. Sit. Oh, this is peaceful. It lasted for a little bit.
Ruby.
Oh, hi. Hello.
Ruby.
You're being summoned, Ruby.
Ruby.
Hi, Ruby. So apparently, letting both puppies out when they haven't gone on a walk and it's been storing for 2 days isn't totally feasible whilst recording. But as I was saying, this video is going to be slightly different, and I mean incredibly different than any I have done thus far, because this muchacho is about to do the unboxing. Because,
I'm doing the unboxing?
Yeah, you're doing the unboxing in this
What
video.
did I get myself into?
Well, remember when a couple weeks ago you were doubting myself and my planty abilities to know of certain plant types? The variegated Aralia. I believe it's the Aralia balfour plant. Ryan didn't believe me that it existed. It does exist. I am showing you a picture of it. It's here.
Okay.
Today, my dear friend, fate has come to pay a visit because I know what is in this box.
What's in the box?
What's in the box is a very good question, but this Rhinito burrito does not know what is under wraps.
I don't like this.
Well, buddy, have fun!
Ooh. I have my box cutter right here.
That seemed very violent and aggressive.
Ooh. Happy pop.
Popcorn! Oh, I hate that. No, don't throw it around. I hate it. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, it was a heating pack, so that's good, probably
was
because it's
heated.
winter.
That's nice. It's
God, I
Package
hate
full.
packing popcorn.
oh, there's a little pack right there. It's kind of taped down at the bottom.
Interesting.
Very nice. Hopefully this guy was nice and toasty in here. Sorry, Erika. I'm kind of just.
Ryan, that is like zero effort to contain it, even.
Oh, it's okay. We can pick it up. Kind of sick. Is he taped down?
I regret this unboxing idea already. I should have just unboxed it.
Kind of stuck. Yeah, he was taped. Oh, he was stapled.
The
Interesting.
plant was stapled.
The plant
down?
was stapled. You can see right there. That's broke.
That's so odd.
Yeah, correct. We have a nice little planty plant.
All right, all right.
Here, all wrapped up. We're going like this and taking off this tape. Oh, just a small little lantern right there. Looks tall. I'm not going to peek yet. Take all this sticky tape off and see what's inside.
I don't know if I like the tape so much, man. This is a very weird packing job.
The paper is glued together. Very.
Oh, I wouldn't hold it like that. Maybe support the bottom. Do you need 2 hands or 4 hands? I hope this is a strong plant under here. Because this is like a very aggressive plant birth.
More packing peanuts.
I
Hello.
told you, the packing popcorn is like a total pain in the tush.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Is that what I think it is?
More popcorn than yes. But there's more to it than that.
It is a variegated Aralia. No way.
Yes way. Oh, that does not look happy.
That really does not look happy.
What the actual hell?
Oh, that is very, very sad. Hold, be careful with them. You should be careful. Oh, that is really sad. Oh, this is probably the saddest unboxing I've ever seen in my life. But yeah, it's a variegated Aralia. Not stump, but it looks like kind of a new growth.
Well, no, it is. It's a stump. It's a variegated Aralia balfour. It's a stump plant, but it looks like more it was like stomped on.
Yeah, everything just seems to be wilted, would you say?
That's beyond wilted.
Every single shoot is
broken
and wilted.
What does it? Oh, that's so soggy. Oh, that's not good. Because it's not even. Oh my god! Did you see that? Here, let me try and like lift it up for you. Like this one in particular. Like lift it. Oh my god, you poor thing. Like yeah. This is what I get for trying to like prove you wrong. I was trying to be like, haha, look, it does exist. But oh my god, even the leaves, like it is so bad. You know, I don't know if you guys have ever overwatered a succulent before, but like when you do, sometimes their succulent leaves get kind of like squishy, and you can literally see the water in between the cell walls of the plants. That's what happens. Oh my god, this is really...
Should we take them out of the pot?
No, I think like literally even down to here. Let me show you guys. Down to here, like at even the base of like this thicker trunk here, it's squishy. Oh, that's not good. Oh, it's like dead. If it's not dead now, that sucker, I don't know how that's like trunk rot.
Yeah, how do you come back from this?
This is not, I don't even know if this is a case of overwatering. I'm not quite sure what this is, except for just totally depressing.
I was so excited at first.
Well, yeah, I was too. Like this whole time, I was like all pumped up. I was like reliving the times when you were doubting the existence of this plant, and now that it's here, it's like, is it even existing?
It is, but it's just like not healthy.
Have you guys ever ordered from this company before? Is this normal?
We're packing peanuts.
So I think what I'm gonna do is
maybe send them an email.
Yeah, I'll reach out to the company. I'll let them know what the situation is with this very, very sad plant, and I'll update you guys in terms of what the solution was, and hopefully give you guys an update in terms of the plant being fixed or something.
I mean, hopefully we can at least save this little guy somehow.
Ryan, that trunk and even every single leaf is like so transparent and saturated with water. Like I swear if you like move it, you can like literally see the water moving in the leaves. Like I've never seen a plant this, like this isn't even broken, Ryan. This is sog. Like that's what I said, even if I were to trim that all off, like the base, like the actual like even down to here, like the base of where the soil is, like the whole thing is just squishy.
Well, that's why we should take the plastic pot off
and just totally dry it.
Yeah, let the roots dry out. I mean, that's what we've done in the past for a couple plants, and a succulent in particular, I know, and they were able to come back. So
I mean, if you want to, we can try. But
I mean, even like the little babies down here.
That's what I'm saying. So it's like I don't know how far we'd have to trim it down, and then it would probably just go into shock. Well, I mean, it's worth a try though. So in any case, we'll try and rescue this plant. I'm also going to reach out to Garden Goods Direct. I've never ordered from them before, but I'll let you guys know how everything goes. So this video will probably go up once everything is kind of resolved on everyone's end. See you guys in a couple days, hours, weeks, months, when everything is resolved. But I still get to say I told you so, right? Like, this still counts. Like, this still...
Still counts, but it's very sad.
Yeah. It's like a very sad accuracy.
Weeping.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for joining for this portion of the unboxing. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Bye.
Bye. So here are some pictures of us attempting to save the Aralia. I say attempting because it definitely did not work. I reached out to Garden Goods Direct via their standard customer service email address, but didn't hear back from them for about a week or so. So I reached out to them via another outlet they have, which is on Etsy. On there, they were very quick to respond, but told me they were unable to replace the plant and instead would issue a refund. And that's about it. They said that the plant likely froze in transit, and while I've never had that happen before here in California, it's winter and these things can indeed happen. Clearly. In any case, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.